Kyla's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make whole wheat gourmet flatbread. This flatbread is very delicious and full of vegetables, and I'll be putting some shrimp on it. And this is normally weekend treat for my family, and it's not time consuming. It takes a little bit of time to make the dough, and it is not difficult at all. So it is a very simple recipe, and it is absolutely delicious. And I already have a video on how to make pizza, so just for your information, I'm going to leave the links in the description box down below, and also in the info box in case you haven't seen the video yet. So I hope you join me, and I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious whole wheat gourmet flatbread from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. delicious whole wheat gourmet flatbread. It looks really good. As you saw, the recipe made 4 big flatbreads, and that is good enough for my family size. But if you guys want to make less than that, you can divide everything on the ingredient list in half, and you can make only 2 if you don't want to make 4 flatbreads. I love this. It looks really good, and the crust is very thin. So I'm going to have a taste, and I will let you know. Wow, it is very delicious. I love the shrimp on it. I love all the vegetables, and the arugula gives it a little kick. I love arugula on my pizza. The crust is very thin, as I mentioned, thin and crunchy, and I like the flavor of garlic and onions on this. Everything looks good and very delicious. So I hope you make this for you and for your family. Let me know if you have any questions, suggestions, comments in the comment section down below. And as I mentioned, I'm going to leave the pizza links in the description box and in the info box here if you haven't seen it. So that's all for today. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. Thank you so much. Love you all. Goodbye.